group. Now we'll start the working of your PLC. Now we have provided the supply 24 volt supply to this system, and this is connected to your PLC. We have already programmed the PLC as per our code. This system, we have just switch off this system. It's LEDs showing that system is here in off status. Okay, all the whatever our tank is empty, both tanks are empty, per main tank is filled. This is a common source for supply. Since this system is off, it is not sensing anything. No, this is on switch button, our system will be on. This is your off switch, system will be off. Now we have switch on system. This is showing that both your tank is empty. We have provided a timer delay. After some time delay, this relay will both relay will be on, and you can see that both valve will be on and tank is start filling. Okay, this valve is on and it's showing that valve is switch on. Now tank is getting filled. You can see that when it will touch this sensor, this LED will be glow. After this, first is for this LED, second is for second LED, this sensor, third one is for this sensor, and fourth one is this sensor. The wall of this has been open and tank is getting start filling. And this water will be touched to this sensor in this tank, and on this tank to this sensor. Okay, when tank will be filled, this water will be touched to this sensor as well as this sensor in their respective tank. Now you can see that wall is open and water is getting filled. Oscar. You can see that water has touched this sensor and LED is start glowing. The current of this will be increased, and the glow of this will be increased as the water level is increased. Now you can see that water has touched this and LED of this has been start glowing. Okay, relay. First relay has been operated. By this we can see that water has touched this sensor also, and the current is start passing through this. Since as the water level is increasing, this LED will be glow more and more. Now you can see that similarly water will touch this sensor also. The glow of this LED is continuously increasing. At some limit, when you can see that fourth LED is also showing some indication. You can see that both LED has been glowed, and this tank has been full properly, and it's showing that tank has been filled. So valve has been off, and you can see that water supply is disconnected. Similarly, this LED is continuously increasing its glow. After some limit, when the voltage is approximately reached to 0 volt, short circuit, and this LED will be this relay will operate, and this valve will also closed. Now you can see that both the tank has been filled, and it's automatically switch off to your valve. Okay, now one more test we can do that. We'll test that we have utilized this water. We'll try to open this valve and we'll try to use this water, drain out this water from this by using this tab switch. You can see that water level is decreasing and your relay has been, the current of this is continuously decreasing. Now one sensor is off because water level is decreased to a limit, and after some limit this other sensor will also indication of this sensor will also be off. Okay, the level of this has been reduced to 0 and this tank is empty. Now you can see that water valve is now switch on and water is start flowing in this. Okay, similarly we can test other tank also. We'll drain out the water of this tank also. You can see that both LEDs glowing. Now it's draining out the water of this tank. Now this LED is continuously increasing. That means water level of its water level is increasing, its water level is decreasing. Now you can see that it's showing that both the tanks are this tank is also empty, and this will switch on the valve second. This both the valve has been opened and both the tank is getting filled. Okay.